thought to walk across parts of Pitsford Reservoir in Northamptonshire. The company is planning for a future with less rainfall and greater demands.
We're looking at our general water resources with where will the future water come from. And obviously one of the sources that's all around us is the sea. So it seems sensible to have a look, could we do economically treatment of seawater?
They've had a desalination plant here in Jersey for 27 years. On an island which relies heavily on rainfall for its water supply, the water company says this plant is essential.
In some past years it's been extremely vital. During 1976, the famous drought, the plant was a godsend. It saved the island's water supply, and during the late 80s there was 2 very dry years which the plant really saved the island.
The plant in Jersey purifies the salt water by distilling it, but the process is extremely expensive, using an oil-fired boiler. Anglian Water plans to use reverse osmosis. The seawater is passed through a conventional filter before going through a grid covered in porous paint. The paint absorbs the water but leaves the salt behind. The water is then pumped to a conventional treatment plant to remove other impurities.
The technology is well established in fact, but it hasn't been used in the UK, it's been used in the Middle East quite a lot, and we hope to get a more economic and more useful kind of process than currently is available.
Geological surveys are currently being carried out along the East Anglian coast to find the best site for the plant before building work starts in January. With a running cost 10 times greater than other treatments, the plant will be used to top up conventional supplies during the summer months. Kate Williams, Look East.
Coming up later in the programme, Luton Town